Hello viewers, let's make a GIF file directly in WhatsApp or without any third-party software. First we will make a simple GIF file and then we will add text, stickers, emojis and greetings to GIF picture. And at the end we will also send a simulated heart in reply to a status of a person. On screen please. Now let's make first a GIF file. So simply go to WhatsApp and open any XYZ contact. Now in front of you, click camera, and in camera simply select video and click this sign, record a video of a couple of seconds or 1 second. Now after recording 2 second or 1 second video, select GIF file at the right top screen in green color and click send. So the GIF file will automatically be sent to the other person contact. Now it's in front of you, a GIF file, it's a full view of the GIF picture. Now let's check it once again, open it and simply you can see a simple GIF file. Now add sticker, emoji, text to a GIF file. Click and open the person contact and once again click on the camera. Select video and record 1 second or 2 second video. Now timing is in front of you. Once again, note these 4 items in circle. Select this one and now let's go and select something like this clock to hide anything undesirable behind the picture. So let me hide this bag. Now let's go once again and we will add emoji or a sticker. Click it. And emoji stickers are available, so choose the best one or the one you like. Do its placement and now click T or text. Click on it and you can see write any greeting like good morning, happy birthday, XYZ, whatever is your choice. The pencil like shape is having different colors, so you can color your text to the desired one. Now click back button and simply do the placement of the text. Now by 1 finger or 2 finger move the text above. Delete option is also available. Any stick can be deleted. Now select GIF file in place of a camera. So select GIF and now GIF has been selected. Click send and this file has been sent. Now we can see sticker, clock, greeting text, all are available on a GIF picture. It's the full screen mode of the GIF picture. And now click back to simply view the chat box in ordinary time. Now let's send someone simulated heart or moving heart to a status reply. Click on the status of the person and highlight this heart. Previously we were able only to send text or emoji, so now click it. Let's see. Now notification is in front of you. So if you click the notification, you can simply see a beautiful moving heart. You can also simply see this by clicking updates and then status and simply click your uploaded status and you will see the moving heart. I hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe my video.